Hey y'all, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back doing another wash day video using Henna Sook's Raw Natural Beauty box that I received as well. And in this box was the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask, which is very important as the weather is cooling down. We really want to focus on our scalp health, not to be overly scratching our hair and damaging the follicles. Now again, in the Henna Bar exclusive collection, you guys, it's very important that you leave these in the freezer because they are already pre-mixed and you'll just go ahead and thaw them about an hour or two before you're ready to incorporate into your scalp, incorporate into your hair. And this Ayurvedic scalp and root mask has 5 different herbs. It is organic Cassia, organic Neem, organic Brahmi, organic hibiscus, aloe vera, and then it additionally has eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary essential oils. So this is going to be so bomb for stimulating your hair, for strengthening, for hydrating, for also really healing your scalp from any issues that you may have. I'm going to talk about each of these herbs when I go ahead and mix for you. And I'm going to go ahead and also use this Moroccan green clay on my skin. I'm going to go ahead and do a mask. I'll also discuss all of the benefits as I apply this to my face and hair. So you guys, this mask is already perfect on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and empty its contents into a clean bowl. Don't forget this should be kept in the freezer and defrosted 1 to 2 hours before use. Now, you know I like to add just a little bit to it, so I'm going to just mix a little bit of argan oil to this and a little bit of my neem oil since I've noticed my eczema has been flaring up, but this already has neem in it, so feel free to add oils if you prefer or if you don't. Let's go ahead and get started on freshly washed hair or freshly wet hair, depending on how dirty your hair is. Focus mainly on the roots first, since this is about the roots, and then spread to the ends at the end. So let's go ahead and talk about the benefits of each of these herbs in this mask. So the first herb on this is Cassia. You guys know I love Cassia. I've done plenty of videos about it. It adds shine to your hair, it conditions and strengthens your hair. There are plenty of scalp benefits because it's antimicrobial and antifungal properties, as well as it can help eliminate dandruff and lice. And it, of course, I can't forget to say that it adds volume and thickness to your hair because it can coat your hair strands. So next up is Neem, and I just did a wonderful Tip Tuesday video about all the properties of Neem, but briefly it has plenty of antibacterial and antifungal, antimicrobial properties that will help heal your psoriasis, eczema, rosacea, acne. It's also great for minimizing grays, reducing dandruff, treating head lice, just all over a wonderful, wonderful herb. Now the next herb is Brahmi. You know I've also done a video on this herb. It has amazing regenerative hair properties to help stimulate hair growth from the scalp. It helps bring circulation to the scalp, nourish your hair follicles, and reduce hair loss. So definitely an herb worth investigating. Next up is another wonderful herb, hibiscus, which is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth, even from dormant hair follicles and bald patches. It also has the ability to prevent premature graying and has antimicrobial and antifungal benefits as well. So it's also great for scalp health. So next up is aloe vera, which has wonderful enzymes that can repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It has amazing conditioning properties that can leave your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. So wonderful, wonderful benefits to be in this amazing scalp and root mask. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my clay mix. I'm going to go ahead and use about 2 tablespoons of that with a bit of warm water for my face and continue mixing until it thickens up. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this Moroccan green clay for my face. It has so many great properties. It's rich in silica, magnesium, calcium, iron. It's wonderful for detoxing your skin, but nourishing it without stripping it of all of its moisture, and removes impurities, tightens the pores, tones the skin, and reduces inflammation. And the wonderful thing about this clay can be used for your skin and for your hair. So definitely try it out for both and see how you like it. And since I made a little too much of the mixture, I went ahead and applied it to my neck and my armpits since it has great detoxifying properties. So yeah, y'all, pretty scary. I really must love y'all. But it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the clay mask off. And it's been about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the hair mask off as well. So I went ahead and rinsed out the mask, and my hair feels so good. I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition it and use the rose water and come back on for you guys. So I went ahead and rinsed the mask off and washed it out my hair and put these twists in. So I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate my skin and hair as well with the rose water. The rose water is phenomenal for hydrating, moisturizing the skin, toning, and can also be used in your hair. So it's a great moisturizer for your hair. So I'll just like to spray it on at the end after my twist or during the week whenever my twists get dry. So just like this. Next, I like to go in with my argan oil and apply that to my face after hydrating it and just rub that in. Don't forget about your neck, y'all, okay? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video talking about this Ayurvedic hair mask. It is wonderful for healing and nourishing any scalp or skin conditions that you may be experiencing right now, especially as the fall weather continues on. Don't forget, I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's Michelle20. I'll also leave that down below where you can order these products from Hinasuk. And if you have any questions, please leave them as well. And I'll see you guys next time for another wash day video. If there's any other things you would love to see, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. All right, bye.